All right. Real quick, let's take a look at my latest trade, family. So here it is on Robinhood again. Basically, Robinhood, along with a lot of other stocks, about over 30 some odd stocks, do this every month. They just basically go along 90% of the time. They go along with my strategy. So there's some technical analysis I'm looking at. There's some candles I'm looking at. There's a certain type of chart that I'm looking at that reveals to me if the market is going to go up or down. And so with this one, I saw that the market was going to go up, and I saw that the market was well below where it should have been. It actually should be above $100. So I want you all to see this. This particular stock should be above $100. And right now it's at 92.85. So with my strategy, I have the read that the market should be above $100, but it's at 92.85. I bought the market here. If you look on the top right-hand corner or slightly towards the middle, you'll see it says average price. And that says 88.72, right? 88.72 is all that I spent in order to get in on this trade, 88.72. And now the market is at 92.89. Now the date is 7/28. I just placed this trade today, guys. I just placed this trade today, and this is based upon my monthly strategy. So sometimes what happens is when you have this monthly strategy, the market will go directly up or down in our direction, and then sometimes it'll retract. That means it's coming back towards a position that it first started, and then it's going to go right back up or down, right, depending upon whatever the flow is. But that's what happened here. So the market went down from where it started, and I believed that it was going to go back up, and it did. So right now you see I have 4.77% profit to take off the table. With my strategy, we like to take profit around 3 to 6%. But right now, 4.77% equals $2.5 million. So to be fair, I would have had to have $55 million to make this $2.5 million in one day. But see, that's why I'm using the knowledge that I have to teach you, to enable me to gain funding so I can trade this in real life, so I can then go and build my hedge fund company. Because my ultimate vision and dream is to take, and I don't even like the word dreaming so much, because it seems like something that, people say, it just seems like something that doesn't happen for people. But this is going to happen for me. It's going to happen for me because numbers don't lie. Because if you were to spend $10,000 on my knowledge, I will be able to show you how to earn $100,000 per year at least. That's just the start. As that money accumulates and you earn $100,000 in the first year, you can then turn that $100,000 into $1 million easy with this strategy that I have. And it may take maybe more than a year, but some of you already have $1 million or 5 or 10 million to start trading with right now, but you don't have the knowledge on what to trade, on how to trade, and things of that nature. That's where I come in. I have the knowledge. I've been trading since 2013, 14, in that range. And I came up on this knowledge somewhere around in the area of 2021. So I studied from that point, and I've continued to study, and now I'm bringing forth to you this particular strategy. After all of my losses, this particular strategy that I've seen since I've back tested is super consistent and is working at a 90% level. So with that, all of that said, guys, is this. Don't just take my word. Try me at what I'm saying. Use my signals for 1 month. I'm going to offer you free signals for 1 month. And what I'm going to do in that time is I'm going to send you winning signals. Most of those signals are going to be on different stocks that win 90% of the time, and you'll get a chance to see that this guy actually is real and knows what he's talking about. $10,000 is not play money to learn. If you're spending $10,000, you need to be learning something that really will take you to the moon. And I would not put a price tag on a product of $10,000 unless it really can take you to the moon, right? I know the value of what I have, and really it's worth a lot more than $10,000. Because again, I'm going to build a whole hedge fund company that's worth millions, and maybe we'll get up to even billions. That's what happens in the hedge fund arena, right? Maybe we'll get up to billions. That is the plan. But that's what I'm talking about. This knowledge can earn billions, not just a few thousand, not just a six-figure income per year. This type of knowledge has the potential to bring in billions. Hence the name of the channel, Stock Market Billions. With all of that said, stay tuned. Watch for the next video for more proof of what we can do. If you want to get signals from me, contact me via email. The email is in the description box below. The website is there as well if you want to just go ahead and buy the strategy today. I'm only going to sell this strategy to 130 people. The strategy comes in digital files with written rules and also recorded video of me using the strategy and explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing, why I'm selling and why I'm buying, and from what strike price is best for me to strike from. So with all that said, and with all the other videos you've seen, and with your experience, take your time, think about everything. If it makes sense, contact me, and I look forward to serving you. Talk to you soon.